So how can I move my invoices to Stripe? So check this out. So if we go to payment and then we go to recurring templates.
So basically, recurring templates are you cannot move from the uh, move into Stripe. Invoices are when someone pay you, so they will be showing up here. This user has paid this much. What recurring invoice is, basically you have a product which is maybe $1,000, right? What is you have done five recurring payments. So at one first stage, the user have and you have set the limitation on your product. For instance, I have bought your product and I have paid $200. And once I will completed that first stage, then I have to go to the second stage. So I have to buy another product, right? And not the another product, but another uh, maybe the element you're into the product. So again I will buy it and I will go to the next stage. Then third next month, fourth next month, and the fifth next month. So that's how the recurring invoices or the recurring product work.
So there's no way to move them to SaaS, huh?